Hello everyone, my name is Vipul Kumar Rathod and I'm 42 years old. I'm working as a petroleum engineer in Kuwait. I'm very habitual of working out, keeping myself fit. That's my motto of the life. So during the workout, I incurred a shoulder injury back in April. So it was always a mild pain existed in my shoulder. I kept on working out. पहले पहले मुझे लगा कि it's a normal injury. So I thought it'll be gone with the workouts. But after 3-4 months, I realized that it's not easing off. So I got the scans done, X-ray done. So X-ray ruled out any bone injury. So it was definitely a muscle injury, which was confirmed by the MRI scan. And all this I did in Kuwait. I consulted the doctor there. They recommended me plasma injections. And I also at the same time consulted my doctors, various doctors basically. I got in touch with in India. Some of them suggested surgeries, some of them suggested injections. Some of them said that there is no need for any of the stuff, and with the medication it might go, maybe with the physiotherapy. So all sort of recommendations were given. I tried the medication, but it didn't ease off the pain. So as a last resort, I had to get in touch with Mr. Santosh Teli. Basically, he's in relation to me, a distant relative. So my wife's cousin brother, he's a good friend of Mr. Santosh Teli. So Mr. Vishal Rathod, who's my wife's cousin brother, he recommended me to get in touch with Mr. Santosh Teli regarding this issue. Probably he took a look at all the scans and the X-rays, and he recommended GFC. The growth factor concentration would be the best option in this case. Plasma injections, which was recommended earlier, he thought it's going to be very painful and there is no need of surgery in this case as such. So the best option would be GFC, which we went ahead with. I've taken one injection and I'm feeling a little relieved. At the same time, I'm getting the physiotherapy done. So this is ongoing procedure, and probably I have to take 2 more injections within the span of 2 months, with a gap of 1 month each. And the final results will be seen later on. So I'm seeing this as a very optimistic approach. The results yet awaited, but I'm very much positive about it. At the same time, when I came to this clinic, so I got in touch with Dr. Nandini Teli also here when I was getting the procedure done on my shoulder, and she recommended me some skin rejuvenation procedures also, which I liked. I have very oily skin, so I thought it would be a good idea to get the skin rejuvenation or procedures done on my skin. She recommended me the Profilo, which is good for the uplifting of the skin and for the overall rejuvenation. Same time, Botox was recommended considering my age. So that was the second procedure apart from the IV, glutathione IV, which I was recommended 4 times maybe. We'll be getting that done. And the last one was the MNRC and CO2, so which is good for the scars removal, reduction of the scars rather. So out of these 4, we have already done 1 Botox, 1 Profilo, and 1 IV, which was done recently. And we have a little bit more out of this whole package left. Results are going to be positive, as been stated by the doctors. And I'm very hopeful of getting a positive result out of all this procedure. So I'm overall very happy with the Alpha Super Specialty Hospital. And I would be recommending everyone about this hospital for any issues related to ortho, skin, hair, etc. Yeah, so this will be highly recommended because I've seen very, very positive feedback. I've experienced positive procedures and positive recommendations, and hopefully I'll be seeing the whole positive effect of the procedures done on me. Thank you.